Here's one for you, Mopar fans. 1972 Dodge Challenger RT Tribute. Underneath the hood, rebuilt 340, mild cam, has the J big valve heads, Edelbrock 4-barrel, Edelbrock intake manifold. That's paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission, power steering, power brakes. Let's take a look at the chrome and the bright work up front of this one. You can see paint shows well. This is a GB5 bright blue metallic, black vinyl roof car originally. Still looking much the way it would have looked back in 1972. Check out the still pictures. Underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And you can always call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on some aftermarket American racing wheels. Good looking wheel on this car. And as you can see, this paint shows well, no doubt about that. Nice shine to it, those RT stripes looking good. Comes with the original build sheet, and I also decoded the fender tag, so there's a picture of that in with the still pictures. It is an original bucket seat car, also a center console car, which is, you can see, has been modified a little bit. But center console will be included with it. So put that back in the trunk. As you can see, black vinyl roof. Like I said, original black vinyl roof car. Original 340 car. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Chrome in the rear bumper looks good. Dual exhaust. Dash has been replaced with a Dakota Digital VHX dash, and there is a, like the reset button or the button that you use underneath the dash for it. Once again, take your time looking through those still pictures. uniqueclassiccars.com. There's also a folder of miscellaneous receipts from the engine build. Looks like some suspension and steering stuff, spindles, bearings, tires. If you like these late 60s to early 70s Mopars, maybe just Challengers in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here. If you like muscle cars, definitely do it. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. Sport hood would have been another option on the fender tag. And again, fender tag decoded in with the still pictures. You'll be able to see that, and you'll also be able to see a copy or a picture of the build sheet that'll go along with this. Aftermarket stereo added, and that is working. Door panel looks good. Be a fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. This one will turn some heads, no doubt about that. Seat belts intact. Black vinyl seats in good shape. All right, we're gonna fire it up. So you can listen to it. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. And then stick around to the very end of this video. We'll have Jason take you for a drive, kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will. See how this thing goes down the road. Nice, clean-looking dash. As you can see, there's a digital. Dakota Digital, I should say. Dash VHX. Which shows about 865 miles. Sorry, you probably can't read that because of the brightness. Get it just right. Tach working. Voltmeter, fuel gauge. Oil pressure and temp. Shouldn't be up much of a cold start. Let it warm up just a little bit here. You can hear it's a good sounding car. Dash looks good. Make sure we're in neutral. Headliner looking good. Door closes nicely, and listen to this. Like I said, you don't think that'll turn some heads? The way it sounds and the way it looks. I think we better check out this engine bay. And again, 340 with those J big valve heads. Let me pause this a second, get the hood open. All right, underside of the hood, you can see nice and clean and tidy also. Here it is. And remember, this was born as a 340 car. Headers. Again, Edelbrock, 4-barrel, Edelbrock intake, manifold, power steering, power brakes. Nice throttle response. Sounds good, looks good underneath there. '72 Dodge Challenger RT Tribute. Nicely done. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1972 Dodge Challenger. This is a beautiful blue car with some black side stripes, floor on the floor, pistol grip shifter. Our speedometer is working, our tachometer also working. Tachometer twitches a little bit. I think that just means it's having fun. The volts are showing 15. The fuel gauge is half full. The water temperature is 190 and the oil pressure is 65. Wipers work on this car. The blower motor also works. We have a Sony stereo on the dash. It sounds very good. The speakers in the door are labeled JL, which is one of your high-end nice brands. And you can tell, they sound good. Comfortable bucket seats. This car actually corners very nicely, stays flat in the corners. Lovely sound coming from this car. If you like Mopars, you're definitely going to like this one. One of the better colors for a Challenger, metallic blue. You don't see it that often, and it just looks great on this car. Strong running car, lots of fun. Check out all the pictures of this Challenger at uniqueclassiccars.com.